RV Adventure Explorer.
We're going on an adventure.
Yep, we are here.
Alright, good morning, fam. Guess what? We got our bikes. And today we're going to go ahead and assemble one and show you how we assemble it. See how, how easy it is to assemble. And then take it out for a ride. As you see, what I have is my little toolkit. You don't necessarily need it, but I always, like to have a toolkit on hand. So that's our bike. And I'm about to show you how we set it up. Alright, for those of you that don't know, I'm Juan. My other half is Jennifer. She's not here right now, but I'm here with you. So, hey guys, listen, we're gonna go ahead and set this up because we've been wanting one for a long time, and basically it wasn't in our budget basically to get one, but after went to the glamp out, and everybody that we know and we hang around with had bikes, and they was moving around and we was walking, it kind of changed my mind that hey, we need to go ahead and get our bikes, go ahead and get, and then we could ride along with them and everything like that, and just be a much more better adventure. And then a lot of the parks that we will be going to, the trails and stuff, we probably could take it on the trail. And especially I want to try it on the beach too, so we definitely made sure we got the fat, the fat tires and all that. So, and then for one, health. We got to start getting in shape. I haven't been doing what I said I was going to be doing, and that is exercise more, walk more, and now since it's hot, that's my excuse, and ain't nobody holding me to that. So as being RVs full time, we have to take care of ourselves. And so I just got finished watching a video log, one of the channels I watch all the time. I watch everybody, and so I just haven't been sitting there and they were talking about the same thing. About your health and stuff like that, and that is a great concern when you RVing, because we travel so much and we travel far distance that you're not around your doctor. See, most of my doctors and stuff is right here in Georgia, VA right here in Georgia, everything like that. So they take good care of me, and and if I ever need to, go to them, set up an appointment and go to them, which is no problem. But if I'm way out on the west side and stuff like that, then they may think it's a little different. But yeah, I also had a scare, I think a couple months ago. Basically, my heart basically like skip a beat, out of rhythm, whatever like this, and can't figure out what I have taken to cause my heart to get out of sequence and all that. It was like racing. It's like I did basically my heart just out of rhythm. I forgot what they call it. But anyway, the only thing I know that I took this supplement and stuff like that just to try to, and vitamins and stuff, try to drink and eat a little better, and basically it's knocked my heart out of rhythm. And so I had to go to the emergency room. They had to slow my heart down and get it back into rhythm. And so, and then I done did all the tests and stuff. I went to VA and everything like that. They done did the CAT scan, everything like that, and guess what? They couldn't find nothing. So far I'm good. I just gotta watch my cholesterol, just like everybody else. I gotta watch cholesterol. I could lose a couple of pounds, so that's something right there I'm gonna work on. Lose a couple of pounds, and hey, just get back in shape and then live life. Hey, that's what we're doing this for. Experiences and living life. But today video log is basically on assembling my e-bike, and then from that we're gonna try use the e-bike. Now I'm not gonna put it on pedal assist all the time, but I am gonna pedal it. But it helps on the hills and stuff like that. But I see. But guys, if you haven't done it already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and do the 4. And so again, I'm one half of RV Adventure Explorer. Today's video log is assembling the Jasion e-bike. And so we're not sponsored by them, but we had two. It came down to two choices. That's Jason and I think electric. Yeah, we was looking, and so we just happened to pick this one, which is about similar to the other one. So, and you know, price plays a lot in it too. And so this is our bike. So enjoy this video clip of how I assemble my bike. All right, guys. Alright, they did pack it real good. They packed this bike real good. Yeah. And the bike, I believe it's like, can't remember. I think about 60 something pounds. That's how it looked coming out of the box. So I gotta take all the zip ties and stuff off. Whew. All right. Now I need to open the box. We got our wheel right here. Open the box, read the instructions. All right. they coming for you. Bad boys. What you going to do? Oh, man. Alright, guys. This is it. I have put it together. The only thing I need to do now is basically go back through and tighten all the, basically start from the front to the back, back to the front, top to the bottom. Check every screw, make sure it's tight, and then adjust the seat. Once I adjust the seat, I need to charge the battery full before I can go ahead and work with the electronics and stuff. So once I do all that, then I'll come back and I'll show you and say, hey, it's working, this is what it's like, and then go into riding it and then I will tell you what I think about it. So guys, it didn't take that long. As you can see, the back is assembled. The screws just got to be tight. The battery got to be charged. And here's my Jasion electric bike. So everything's together. And you'll watch me right on camera put it together. So that's how long it actually takes. Straight out the box. The package right, I don't see no damaged parts yet. So that's it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you now. In part 2, I'll fire it up, ride it around. Alright, thanks for watching.
Life is not a burden. Tell them it's a journey. I tried if you're not careful. You play this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge that goes in the world. What take care of, you never know what you got till you lose what you got. It's not a burden. No. It is a trial if you're not careful. You play this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge that goes in the world. What take care of, you never know what you got till you lose what you got. Walls cannot help.